This video tutorial is for students to access their Canvas course. Be able to open up a browser with Clever. On there is the Canvas icon. Once you click that Canvas icon, it should bring you to all of your courses on your dashboard. Obviously, mine are going to look different than yours. Yours will be personalized for the classes that you are taking. So be sure that you see all of the classes that you are enrolled in. Please don't go to view grades. Go to each individual course that you are working on. Once you click on it, it will bring you to your home page. This is my sample. For hybrid learning, we are asking all teachers to have a column with the date, the in-class learning listed and linked that you will be doing in face-to-face time with your teachers, and then another column for the at-home learning that you'll be responsible for on the days that you are not physically present in the building. So all of the assignments and learning should be listed and linked in these columns. So that first week of learning is listed going from left to right in order to get you prepared for the next day. The information down at the bottom, or maybe at your teacher has it at the top, is their contact information to get a hold of them. Each individual assignment or page should be labeled with the day and have all of the links and documents necessary for you to get to right from that particular page. They'll be labeled either at home or in-class learning. So this one is at home, and notice that you have your targets just like you would in the classroom and a to-do list of things to do in between the classes. So at home on your own, you should do steps 1 through 4 and then be able to submit the PDF or the Word document or watch this video and use it to complete your assignment. Now the green submit button is at the top right-hand corner. And then down here, it gives you all of the options that your teacher has chosen to allow you to either upload or link or enter a text and hit submit. So remember to log on through Clever, open your dashboard, go to your home page, and check your in-class and at-home assignments.